What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors, and we're trying something new. We're going to start off doing a few testimonials. This is a repeat customer. His name is Tom, and I was going to ask him a few questions. How is his experience and a few things about Maple Motors. There's definitely a repeat buyer. He's bought a few cars from us. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Thomas, all the way from Decatur, Alabama, and I am a friend. I'm a friend of this company here, Maple Motors, that I have done business, repeated business over and over. And I my advice to interview if you need classic cars. This is the place to come, Maple Motors.
I appreciate those words. How many cars do you think you bought over the years?
I don't know exactly how many I have bought, but I have bought a few, and I am certainly happy with the ones that I have.
Well, I'll tell you what, how many do you have right now?
How many I own?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. More than a few.
More than a few.
More than a few.
What's your favorite one?
My favorite, I would say, I have a 1970 Chevelle.
Okay.
That I bought from you.
Yeah.
And I am certainly pleased with it. It is a eye catcher. It's a beautiful car. Everybody loves my 1970 Chevelle. You want a Chevelle? Come to the Maple Motors. They got the Chevelles.
We have been going through a lot of Chevelles this last year,
Yeah.
that's for sure.
And I also bought a 1968 Charger that I'm very pleased with. And I had them probably up next to me because I love Chargers and the Mopar, and I love the Chevelle from the Chevrolet.
Yeah.
So I'm pleased with both.
Okay,
and I got them both from you.
That was my next question, was how was your experience? So we know you were pleased with that.
Yeah.
Have you ever had mechanical issues with your cars, and how did we handle it?
I never had any really real problem as far as mechanical, but I did buy one. I bought a beautiful 1967 Cadillac that I still have. And when I bought it, and they brought it to me, I discovered the transmission was acting up, but no problem. I called your dad,
Yeah.
which is now a great friend of mine, and he immediately took care of the problem. I mean, no questions asked. I mean, took care of the problem.
Okay.
And and I tell anybody because I travel all over, and I tell people that you can go anywhere and find nice things, but it's really not tested until you see what customer service is about after you deal with situations.
Yeah.
And I can say not only do they have the most beautiful cars, I've been everywhere. I've been to Detroit, I've been to the Carolinas, and everywhere I go, I find where the classic cars is. And I can't think of nobody that I would prefer you to over Maple Motors. And like I said, the customer service been tried. They got beautiful cars, but as I said, I only knew half of the situation of the business until I had problems. When I had the problem, I mean, they don't cut you off. They don't try to find a way out of it. They immediately address the situation. In fact, your dad was on it faster than I were. He wanted to make sure I got that transmission taken care of, and he did. And so I want you to know I really salute Maple Motors for that.
And guys, it's not just for him. This is for everyone that buys cars from us. If you do end up having issues, just give us a call. We're more than fair. I mean, there's been many incidences where, we sell 60 cars a month. We have motor issues every once in a while on some of those cars. You can see we got a lot of projects. We got a lot of cars that are show cars as well. And, they go in spurts. We'll have a bunch of project cars one month, and then the next month we got some stuff that's in the 50,000 range. But we're more than fair. We go and take care of the issue. If not, we pay for half if it's a really high-end issue, and then you got a brand new setup. So that works out good. And would you buy more cars from us is my last question.
And Nick, let me ask you this. And what I like about y'all cars is on a level where everybody else may be charging 60,000 and 70,000. Y'all charging 40 and under, and depending on what kind of car. I bought a 1957 Chevrolet from you, and I was in a contest back in September of about 200 cars.
Yeah,
this is true, and I won first place from your car.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
I didn't even know that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the pictures, the trophies, and everything. To
that's cool.
That I won with your car, with that burgundy 1957 Chevrolet. And I want you to know, and the question you asked, when I buy again, I'm going to always be buying from Maple Motors.
That's great.
This is my, since I started business with y'all a few years ago, I don't deal with nobody else but Maple Motors.
That's awesome. Man, I appreciate it. Thanks for this interview. It's our first one, and I think you did a great job.
Thank you for having me.
Hey. See y'all later. Now, check out these cool t-shirts we have. We also have this one in black. Everything else is the same, but they're $20 each. We got them all the way through 3X, and you can order them in the description below or at maplemotors.com.